morning. We on है?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. So I welcome you all in the ATK in the first day, and I would be happy if all the students were present today. That is why we have to choose both the platform for conducting the classes. But I hope next week they will arrive and we will have classes with 100% occupancy. Okay. I hope. I'm telling. I'm hoping. So we will not start menu today. We will have a revision of all the basic sauce and stock, and if time allows we will discuss about the soups, because if you are thorough with these basics it will be helpful in the coming classes, because in every class you have to make one or another type of sauce or stock. The moment you come to class after briefing, the first thing you will have to do, you have to either make any of the stock and definitely any of basic mother sauce, and you mix the main ingredient and dish is prepared. So let's start with the basics, and basics we have already covered in first semester, but we will have a quick revision. So I hope all of you have come prepared. Today we will only practice, there won't be any demonstration from my side. I will just give a briefing and you have to make all types of stocks and sauce. These things we have to cover in today's class. So without making any delay, let's recall the types of stock, what is stock, where we use, what is the recipe. So just one by one, any of you can start. Types of what is stock. First discuss what is stock. The first topic in the class, when we start our class as the freshers come, the first thing we teach as a teacher is stock. Utkarsh, please define stock.
Stock is that which we make for soup and sauces.
See, first listen the question. I am asking to define the stock. I am not asking the uses of stock. Listening is very important in hospitality sector. Listening. If you listen the thing, 50% of the problem is solved. If I have asked, who are you? You should not tell your age. Of course, you can add that into the end at the end of the definition. But first define what is stock. Yes, Mohit?
The stock is prepared with bones of different. Stock is prepared basically with the bones of the fish, meat or beef, and also it is prepared with vegetables, which is known as veg stocks, and the preparation with the meat and chicken is known as
See, again I will tell. There is a. I have not asked you to elaborate. I have not asked you to elaborate.
yes sir. The stock is
Okay.
basically prepared with the bones of the chicken, meat, fish, and
If anybody asks, or if it is asked in exam also, please you should write or you should answer in a such a way that definition cannot be changed. Definition cannot be changed. Definition for certain thing will remain same wherever you go. It doesn't changes with time. It doesn't changes with the place. If somebody asks you what is a noun, noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Whether you read in India or whether you read in Oxford University, that definition remains same, isn't it? Am I right? Coming. So please maintain distance. Mohit, come this side. Yes. So you can say that stock is a base, nutritive, flavorful, liquid. Of course, you have to add these three things: base, nutritive, and flavorful liquid obtained from prolonged simmering of bones, aromatic root vegetables, spices, and that can be used for the several purposes in the cookery, for making sauce, gravies, soups, etc. So it's a very crisp definition and it fulfill all the parameters. इसमें हम लोग डेफिनेशन भी बताए, यूसेज भी बताए, क्या होता है वो भी बताए. क्लियर है? इज इट क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ स्टॉक. टाइप्स ऑफ स्टॉक one by one. Anyone can speak louder so that it can come into record. Yes.
Vegetable stock, chicken stock, fish stock,
Brown stock. Good. So basically we have brown stock, chicken stock, that is also known as white stock. Okay. Then fish stock and vegetable stock. Vegetable stock in India, there is just it is used, but if you were talking about the abroad and all, there is no concept of making veg stock. They all use chicken or brown or fish. Fish is also nowadays rarely used as a stock, fish stock, but we have to read, we have to go by the process, we have to go by the syllabus. So we have to read this. Now we will discuss one by one the recipe or the method or the procedure of making these stocks. So anyone, do you recall how to make brown stock?
Take bone of the beef or chicken, beef, and we will wash it, and then we will heat on the bones.
Very good.
Then take a pan, heat oil, add some spices or then add water, simmer it, then add oil.
Will you not roast it?
Yes, sir. We will stock it to roast in the.
Stock is not roasted, bones are roasted. Don't be in a hurry. Speak clearly. And see, there are certain elements of stock. Elements. In elements, the major part is bone, then root vegetables, then herbs, and then spices and water. So these are the elements. मतलब एलिमेंट्स मतलब उसमें क्या क्या एक्चुअली चीज़ें यूज होती हैं. तो मेजर पार्ट इज बोन एंड वाटर. So and these are taken into the certain ratio. Okay, there is always a ratio of bone is to water is to vegetable is to aromatic herbs. ठीक है? Anybody aware or does anybody know what is the ratio? In what ratio we should take bones is to water is to aromatic root is to herbs? Please find it out. Please find it out. Now you are in the final year. We have made more than 10-15 times stocks. In the BTK also we have made stocks several times. In QTK we have not made. But definitely Indian stocks are also there. In Indian cuisine also we make stock.
Yes.
In Chinese cuisine also they make Chinese stock and they use for the soups. If you got the opportunity to work in Chinese kitchen in your industrial training, that you might have seen that chef chef will always be ready with a flavorful liquid, and he will be adding all the Chinese herbs. Uh, Mostly they use mostly they will make with the chicken bones. Yes, that is the substitute bone powder, or it is also available nowadays in the form of candy or cubes. So no need to of making stocks. It's a substitute because it's a very tedious job for to do mise en place. Boil, we have to simmer it for 8 hours and 2 hours. So they, in hotels they don't have time. So what they do is very easily they will indent and they will get in from the store and they will directly use into the soup or sauce. But it doesn't means we should forget how to make stock. Okay. Because if you make stock, what happens? Whatever the bones are there in the butchery after the processing of meat, that is utilized. And suppose I have to order for candy or powder stock in the form for the substitute of stock, I have to pay money, and all those things are we are getting into free, and the things are also getting utilized. So for economic purpose, for the profit purpose, we should make in-house stock in the kitchen, and that is always more flavorful. बेनिफिशियल भी होगा और फ्लेवरफुल भी होगा, दोनों, both aspect. So for brown stock, take the bones and give me a bowl. So bones are there. We should take the bone which is free from any meat. See, it's very clear, all the meat has been taken out. There is no meat or fat sticking to the bones. They are the perfect bones. And we take aromatic root vegetables like carrot, turnip, onions, and in house celery, leek, thyme. And there is a term you have heard, or it has come many a time in the exam, what is called bouquet garni. So that bouquet garni is used. The main purpose for the bouquet garni is to enhance the flavor of the stock. So that bouquet garni is used, and you see why, what is the purpose of taking only bones? See, in bones, inside you can find bone marrow. Here outer part is bone and inside there is bone marrow, and that is the main thing in the bone from which all the nutrients is extracted. Okay, all the nutrient is extracted from bone marrow. That is why it is simmered for a longer time. We should not boil. What happens? What will happen if you boil?
The stock will boil, then the bone marrow will not give so much of flavor because it will boil quickly.
Yes, if we simmer it, slowly all the nutrition is extracted. If you boil and quickly you are throwing it, the nutrients will not come out. Okay, because it takes longer time. And one more thing is there, if you put anything on direct heat or at high flame, what happens? All the outer cover is sealed and all the juices and nutrients will remain inside. It will not come out. So better to start with the slow flame or start with the cold water. It is a golden rule. We should always remember that we should always start making soup with the cold water. It's not like if you are in a hurry, you are taking water from geyser or boiling water you are putting and then starting your stock, it's a very wrong process, because by the time you will add the hot boiling water, all the sides are it's sealed, and bone marrow, this tip is also sealed, and whatever the nutrients are there, it will remain inside, it will not come out. So always start with that process, we will discuss later. First, the ingredients we are talking about, and the timing, what should be the timing for the brown stock? 8 to 10 hours. Nowadays in the hotels, what they do in hotels, once the kitchen is closed, at the time of closing of the kitchen, before they will leave at home, they will put stock, they will leave it and on the top of tandoor, or it may be a hot plate, they will set the temperature, and next day they will come and they will clear it, or maybe into the rice boiler or the steamer. So they do like that. So what they do, they take a tray, they will mix all the ingredients, bones, onion, carrot, turnips, tomato, tomato puree, bay leaf, peppercorn, little oil, and they will rub it, that bones, and then they will roast it in the oven till the golden color comes, and then in the stock pot all the things are roasted bones are taken on the flame at the low flame, and cold water is added, and they simmer it for 8 to 10 hours, and once the simmering start, they will dip bouquet garni. Bouquet garni, I hope all of you know what all things are there in the bouquet garni. Not basil.
Sir, is it compulsory, sir, that they will use the same spices which is given over the
Sorry?
means in bouquet garni, the definition is bunch of 5 herbs.
Yes.
And we can take any of the 5 herbs.
Not any.
So that was the
Not any 5, because in herbs there are so many herbs are there. Thyme is also there, rosemary is also there, dill leaves are also there, fennel leaves are also there.
that was the confusion.
No, what is, there are certain herbs are there, they are only added, not any 5. Huh? Yes. In bouquet garni, leek, celery, parsley, bay leaf, thyme. Parsley sticks. हाँ, ठीक है, not the leaf. उसके जो stem होते हैं वो, these are not parsley. Wait. This is parsley, and these stems are used, not this flower part. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You will be able to make?
Yes.
What was the next stock? Chicken stock. Same procedure, but in that we don't add tomato and tomato puree and oil, and we don't roast it. Directly it is, all the ingredients are put in a stock pot, and it is simmered for how many minutes or hour? Chicken 2 hours. Who told 4 hours to 6 hours? Chicken 4 hours, 2 hours. Okay. Chicken is, the time for the chicken stock is 2 hours. Next is fish stock. For fish stock, what is the ingredient we use? Fish bones and this is little different, little slightly different. How we start? First we take fish bones, we have to saute it little, just a little for 10 seconds, and take oil, take bones, you can add little sliced mushroom, little sliced mushroom, and few drops of lemon juice. Saute it, then add water, then add cold water, and all the mirapua vishe. What is called mirapua? Roughly cut all the aromatic root vegetable is added like carrot, onion, turnip, and bay leaf peppercorn is added, and it is simmered for how many minutes? 15 to 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. Vegetable stock is half an hour, 30 minutes. Time is very important in stock. I think all of you have forgotten what is the time duration for the stocks. Somebody was telling chicken for 6 hours, fish for 30 minutes. So you should remember very carefully. I will repeat once again. Brown stock 6 to 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. Chicken 2 hours, white stock. Fish 15 to 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes is maximum. And for vegetable stock half an hour, 30 minutes. Clear? And for vegetable stock we don't add any bones, otherwise it becomes non-veg. And rest all procedure is same. Next, once simmering is over, then what is the next step we do? How you will strain? With the help of muslin cloth, without disturbing the aromatic root vegetable. Okay, slowly, or best way, take a measuring jug and slowly pour it. It should not like you to dump it. Otherwise, whatever the simmering of carrots and leeks are there, it will disintegrate into finer particles and your stock becomes cloudy. तो हम लोग को वेरी केयरफुली उसको स्ट्रेन करना होता है कि अगर जो कैरेट और टर्निप्स और जो भी वेजिटेबल्स हैं वो डिसइंटीग्रेट नहीं हो जाए लिक्विड में, बिकॉज स्टॉक शुड बी क्लियर, इट शुड बी ट्रांसपेरेंट, इट शुड नॉट बी क्लाउडी, इट शुड नॉट बी ऑयली. क्लियर? नाउ हाउ यू स्टोर इट? Recipe is done, procedure is done. During procedure, one thing I forgot to tell you: whenever the froth comes on the top, what is the term? What is that term is used for taking out that scum from the stock? Very good. Who told? It's skimming. That process is called skimming, and the froth that accumulates, that is called scum. And the process is called skimming, skimming. So in between, during the cooking, when froth comes or dirt comes on the top, you should clearly skim it or clarify it with the help of perforated ladle. Clear? And one more thing is that it should never boil, because it is said that a stock boiled is a stock spoiled. अगर वो उबल गया तो फेंक दो. शेफ यही बोलता है किचन में, अगर वो उबाल आ गया तो उसको फेंक दो. It's spoiled. So it should be always do on simmering. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
First we will make all the stocks, then we will go for sauce, because by the time it will be simmering, meanwhile we will finish our briefing for sauce. And you have to make, for making sauce you need stock. So first let's make stock first. Sure. Hey, stand properly, don't play with the ingredients. We should take out the extra flesh from the fish, because we should use only bones. What will happen if anybody or anyone is making stock with the help of this fish in which meats are sticking,
Cloudy.
flesh is sticking, what happens?
Cloudy.
It becomes cloudy and we will not get first class stock.
Then we will get third
Hmm.
class.
What is the term which is used for the second extract of stock?
What's the second?
Second extract. Suppose I have made stock with this bone. After that I have taken out and again I am using this bone. Anyone? One. Of course that will be the second class. You are not listening.
Name of
That process. Better I should ask the process. First extract, second extract. Just like for the olives, we get first extract is virgin olive oil. Second extract different. Third extract, last extract, palmos and all we get. They are least expensive. So the bones should be free from. Take bones. ठीक है? दिखोगे नहीं हाँ इस साइड आ जाओ उस साइड हाँ. Then दिख रहा है बढ़िया. Okay. Hey, hit that. This you keep it at that. Then tomato. Then celery, of course carrot, and then onion, leek, bay leaf, peppercorn, tomato pure getting एक में I'm giving मेरा है tomato tin opener is there tin opener pause पर tin opener बस that's it little oil little don't add too much that's it that is why we add oil. If you add more of oil your stock will be oily. We are only adding to prevent it sticking from the tray. Now mix it. Mix it nicely. read it. Now we will put it into the preheated oven. Turn करो, कैमरा दिख, हाँ, put it. Now close it. Okay. Now we will roll. नहीं रहने दो. उस साइड अंकित इस साइड आ जा. Take chicken bones. It should be free from flesh and fat. Ankit, board clear. Then take carrot. That's it. Onion. That's it. That's it. Leek. Celery. Leek. Actually, huh. No oil in chicken stock. Bay leaf. Peppercorn. And we will add cold water. Let's रखो. हाँ. Now add cold water. Some more. We have to keep in our mind that it should not boil, and whenever the froth comes on the top, we have to regularly skim it. Then only we will get clear. Stop. Timing is for 2 hours. Now leave it. We will start making fish stock. आ जाओ रोशन, सब हो रहा है ना जी. Add carrot. Main ingredient is carrot, not all. We have to save it for. We are making vegetable stock only. Add more of carrot. That's some more. Huh? No, because I told by mistake. Onion. Yes. Leeks. Celery. Bay leaf. Peppercorn. Switch on the gas flame. So, Ankit, switch on the gas flame. Slow. Now add cold water. That's it. Okay. Now, no, not more water, because see, we are going to simmer it for 2 hours, so it requires more water. This has to be simmered only for 30 minutes, so we will take less of water, and that brown stock, it will take 8 hours, so we add more extra water. Accordingly, we should take water according to the time. That common sense we should use. Hey, add little oil. ज़्यादा है, half उसका, बस that's it. Do we have duster? बर्नर, हाँ बस ठीक ठीक है. हाँ. Add little oil, then add fish bones, sauteed. Add few drops of lemon juice. We add lemon so that that special dominant flavor of fish should reduce. Now add onion, carrot, leeks, celery, bay leaf and peppercorn, and add cold water.
Just check
Just-
the time.
Simmer it for 15 minutes. Now don't disturb it. Okay, check the timing. So chicken stock is also getting ready, vegetable stock and fish stock. We are waiting for bones to be brown, and we will put a brown stock also, which we are going to use for the brown stock. Get it? Add it. Add. Dal. Not ladle. This spoon I will use. आराम slowly. Put it for the washing. Now we will add cold water. So all the 4 stocks are getting ready. Now we will add bouquet garni. Bouquet garni, what is the meaning of bouquet garni? It's a bundle or bunch of herbs. ऐसे डालते हुए दिखा दो, बस ऑन कर. सब में डालो. Thread should not dip, go inside. अच्छा तुम करो, मैं बोल. In between the process of making of stock, the froth which is coming on the top, we should clear it. Then only we will get the nice and clear stock. That process is called skimming. The process of taking out the scum or raft is called skimming. So slowly we have to strain the stock without disturbing it with the help of muslin cloth. Now we got the nice, clear, transparent fish stock. Vegetable stock is ready, and now we will strain it carefully without disturbing it. With the help of ladle and muslin cloth, we will do it. Strain it. उठाओ और इसमें डाल. Now clear and transparent vegetable stock is ready. That we will use in stock and that we will use in sauce and gravies.